Indaspora. Friends are the real currency. But exchange rate varies. Oh, money vary, money different.
El Fuego Mutaz here, your Congolese brother with a blessing of 31 stamps in his passport. I'm not alone. I am with my brother.
I'm David Asanga, your Niger guy who is here to give you the vibes. I'm not just here to give you jollof rice, but to make you feel good.
This new episode, our focus will be on how to build your tribe in a new African city.
Wow.
How to make friends.
Wow, are we spilling any beans?
No, today we're not. This one,
Okay.
today no spilling any beans.
Let me sit down very well. Okay.
We would like to discuss and give real life stories, the African way to Africans for Africa, and to whoever who loves Africa. How to make friends.
Wow.
This is a big one.
So how do you build friends? How do you build your tribe?
That's a very good question.
Wow.
So, first of all, there are places and there are ways to do that. But I would like to start by just saying we have to understand why do we need friends
Very important.
in the first place.
Very important.
As Africans, when you look at Africa long time ago, you will find villages were built in a very interesting way.
Very true.
With huts making like a
circle, yeah.
Yes, with a big space, a court, a village court in the middle, where kids, families
They come together.
So as Africans, friendship is not just a luxury. It's not a luxury. It's not just something that you need.
Yeah, it's a way of life.
It's a way of life. It's part of the African identity.
Very true.
So when you relocate from one place to another, from one country to another, you go to a place where you have no friends at all, you start feeling disconnected. There is a disconnection. There is something in you that doesn't connect.
Yeah.
So that's why you need to have friends. So you ask a question, where
do we get friends?
Exactly. So where to get friends? You need to build up your tribe in a new place.
Wow.
Now, how to do that? I think for example, the first place you can do, it depends as well with your interest. The first place could be, for example, for me, when I relocated to Kenya, for instance, I was very interested in a particular area called Kibera. That's amongst the biggest slums in Africa.
Wow.
It's an amazing place. Many people say there is a lot of poverty. Yes, that's true. But let's look beyond the poverty in Kibera in Kenya. They are great people with incredible stories.
Wow.
And I had the privilege to get a school, connected to a school where I started volunteering as a French teacher.
Wow.
So I started volunteering in that school as a French teacher, and immediately
they connected with you.
Yes, I connected with everyone, all the teachers, the principal, the student. That was my first platform to make friends.
Wow.
So volunteering can be a tool that you can also, an avenue that you can also use.
Volunteering.
Yes. Find a place of interest where you can volunteer your time. As well help do some good in the society.
Exactly. Also, you can grow yourself by joining some very good growth spaces.
Yes.
Yeah. Like me, when I came, I knew I was very good in speaking, and I joined Toastmasters, where they just meet every month or twice in a month to discuss public speaking, give a speech. By so doing, you are building a tribe.
Wow.
You're having network.
Wow.
Those are the people that will tell you, no, don't rent in this place. don't sleep in this place, don't get this broker,
Yes.
invest in this place, like we were talking about. Yeah.
So getting the right people, you share the same interest.
Exactly.
Yes, there are also like book clubs.
Very true. Very
Book clubs.
true.
If you are passionate about reading, you can find a book club in the country where you stay, in the city where you stay, and the book club members will somehow automatically become your friends.
You start
share
thinking
that interest
together.
Yes, true.
Yeah. How about religious setting? Can you find your tribe there?
That actually should be for me as a believer. I would like to recommend people that there are places where you can have you can make friends. But then you have to be very careful with the kind of friends you're making. It doesn't mean that if you meet someone in a place where you're volunteering, they automatically, this person is your trusted, trustworthy. But you start building a relationship and friendship. But a religious place such as a church, automatically that's a place of good values.
Wow.
It means you are in a safer place. People you meet there, there is a higher chance for you to build long-lasting relationship.
Okay, so
fruitful relationship.
Okay, what if sometimes Africans are so stereotyped, they are so sentimental.
Yeah.
So you're for example, I'm living in Nigeria. Yeah. My church is known in Nigeria, but it's not in the next country I'm relocating in. Should I look for another church, or I should say I stop going to church since my church is not there?
That's a good question. Okay, we want you to be connected, not only online, the online connection.
Very true.
I've seen people in the diaspora communities where they say, hey, I left South Africa, now I'm living in Zambia, and my church is not here. So what I'm doing now is like every Sunday I sit in front of my TV and I watch the service live.
Exactly.
That's also good. No one is asking you to abandon your church, but there is a lot that you're missing out. A lot that you're missing out.
That's right.
Human connection.
That's right.
The interaction with people.
That's right.
And again, God is in every single country. Every single country. Even in a desert, God is there. So when you are not an island, you are in a place where the human beings who also worship, you can actually associate with them. Of course, you can get guidance on how to do that. People in the community can actually recommend you great churches that they have been to. Yeah.
So again, we are telling you, friends are the real currencies. They are the real money. Money. You need money, you need friends. You need friends, you need money. Although the exchange rate varies.
David.
Yeah.
When it comes to really building up your tribe in a new African city, there is this aspect of reframing one's mindset.
Wow.
Because every time you're walking around, everything will be screaming, you are a foreigner, you're an outsider, this is a foreign land. All these things, maybe it's the language, or maybe it's the people, the way people are dressed. Exactly. The way people look.
Culture shock.
Yeah, all those things. So I think
you have to be curious.
Absolutely. Just a matter of reframing from the outsider's mindset.
That's right.
It's a matter of curiosity. Cultivate your curiosity. That's how you discover that have that adventurous mindset.
But do you have to be cautious? Why be curious?
No, let your curiosity lead you. Okay. Let your curiosity lead you. I'm not saying, of course, you throw yourself in the hands of maybe people who are dangerous, but I'm like, curiosity should be your number one fuel when you're out there. You're relocating to a new place. I was in Togo. My very first time to reach Togo. That's West Africa, not far from Nigeria.
I know the next one you're going to go to Nigeria. Yeah, deal. Okay.
Nigeria.
Yeah,
next one.
Come.
Okay.
Yeah,
Nigeria, we are coming. Yes, we're gonna come to Nigeria. That's promised.
Yeah.
I was in Togo. So I was in Togo. I was invited somewhere, and by a good friend of mine, and they brought food. They brought some food. They brought some meat and all that. They said this is bush meat. That's how they call it. This is bush meat.
Oh,
Do you want to eat it? Are you open to taste bush meat? So now I had two options: either to become curious and eat the meat, or to be cautious.
Okay.
So I decided to go with curiosity.
Okay.
And I tasted the meat.
And you've not tasted bush meat before?
No, that was not just this bush meat. That was the bush meat.
Okay.
And I had to ask afterwards, afterwards, what kind of bush meat
is that? Because anything is in the bush.
Yes. Yeah, and they told me, okay, are you ready? Tighten your seatbelt. You're ready?
Yeah.
So the meat was hyena's meat. Yeah. So I was invited.
I'm surprised. They gave you that kind of meat.
Yes. So now, hold on. Now, the reality is that kind of meat is not just given or served to any kind of a person. That is something only real men and VVIPs, like visitors, can eat.
Wow.
People from the royal court eat. Men from the royal court are allowed. They're the ones who are reserved.
So ordinary men,
not ordinary men. Wow. So I was about to miss the taste of royalty,
of being a real man
in Togo, in the eyes of people of Togo, and they respect the culture of Togo. No matter how curious, how funny or crazy this sounds like, I decided to go with the path and the option of curiosity instead of the option of being cautious.
Wow. So if they give you bush meat next time, just be curious. Don't be cautious. All right. So now we're going to talk about building your tribe, building friendship.
Yes.
And for you, Mr. Mutas, you are a very good friend.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
No doubt. I appreciate that.
We are not just friends. We are brothers. We are accountability partners. And
amazing.
It's so amazing how I met him relocating to Kampala. I met this wonderful man from Angola, from Congo, and has more than 31 stamps now, I think so. On his,
we're getting there.
Yeah.
So far, 31.
I met him trying to be a good husband. I went for a course, a marriage course, because I wanted to be a good husband. And I met another fellow man like me who wanted to be a good husband.
Yes.
So imagine relocating from the city of Niger, Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, River State, Enugu, Kaduna, all those places. And then I came here to be a good husband.
Wait, hold on.
Wow.
You're going to make people want to travel to Nigeria.
They have to come.
The way you're selling Nigeria.
You have been selling Angola. You have been selling Congo, selling Kenya.
Guys, go to Luanda, Angola. Go to Kinshasa, the place of Lingala. Go there. Okay.
Go to Lagos, Nigeria.
That's the first time I've ever sold these countries. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
So it was so nice. I met him, and here we are today.
Yes.
We are having this podcast.
Diaspora moves.
Wow.
Yes.
You need friends in your life.
The real currency in the diaspora.
That's right.
If you're in the diaspora, your friends are the real
money.
The real
money.
Did you know? This week, you'll discover how I met David Asanga, my brother. Did you know? You didn't know? Now you will know.
That's right.
Culture shock. When it comes to making your tribe in a new African city, it is quite interesting to look at relationships from a different angle.
Yeah, that's true.
I can tell you that your culture, your country, the way you see things, your habits, the way your perspective about friendship, that's not the gospel.
Totally different.
It is not. It is not above any other perspectives.
That's true.
Out there. In Uganda, I arrived in Uganda just like you. I arrived in Uganda and I made friends. But I quickly realized that each time you meet someone new, in Uganda, people will ask you questions.
Serious
Just like, hey, what is your name? You give your name like, hey, what's your nationality?
Exactly.
Give your nationality.
How long have you been here?
How long have you been here? Then you tell them. Then like, what are you doing here?
Exactly.
Why did you leave your country?
Yeah.
And then you start scratching your head. They're like, okay. Then you're like, are you married? Okay. And they will ask you those questions like, what do you do for a living?
For a living.
So people, and at the beginning I was like, wait, people are asking me too many questions and these are personal questions.
Very personal. Yeah.
However, very quickly I had to pick myself up. Thank God for traveling a little bit around the continent.
Yeah.
I had to appreciate that because Ugandans, shout out to all the Ugandans.
Whoa, my wife is there. Wow.
Yeah.
What's up, man? What's up,
Your
man?
queen.
Yeah.
So it is quite interesting that Ugandans are genuine. They have that genuine way of connecting with people.
Yeah.
They will ask you those questions, not that they want to interfere in your business, but just want to connect with you, know you better.
They are hospitable.
Yes, that's hospitality. That is really rooted in the Ugandan culture.
Very true.
Where someone wants to really know who you are.
Exactly.
And then, if you give them all that information, sometimes they actually help you out.
Very well. Very
They're
well.
like, yeah,
Very well.
by the way, where you are working and your profession, I think there is a company that is hiring you. Like, wait a minute, what? I've just met you 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes ago.
That's
true.
Culture shock. Ugandan are good friends. They make good friends.
Yeah.
Genuine friends.
Genuine friends.
So, a good culture shock.
Yeah.
So when it comes to relocation tips, I would like just you to give one relocation tip when it comes to making friends, building up your tribe. When you have moved to a new city in Africa, what tip can you give?
Very simple. Simple as it is, it may look awkward.
Yeah.
But the truth is that awkward is temporary.
Yeah.
And then loneliness it's what is permanent. So just greet somebody.
Yeah.
Just say hello. When you enter a public car, and I love Ugandans for that.
Yeah.
Once they enter a car, once they enter a border we call here, which is a bike or Okada for us in Nigeria, Okada, or, you enter, just say hello, just greet somebody.
Yeah.
And if they are welcoming, you go further, ask them their name, and from there, life begins.
Yes, be genuine about it.
Very genuine.
Just a simple hello can open doors.
Very true.
For relationships.
Very true.
In a new country.
Very
Amazing.
True. Yeah. Also greeting. Saying good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon.
Yes.
Yeah.
We have reached the end of this episode.
Wow.
It has been amazing.
Very amazing.
So, we would like you to participate, be part of this journey, the journey of diaspora moves.
Yes, that's right.
So just go to the comment section and just type hashtag my African tribe story. Hashtag my African tribe story. And you tell us your story. And tag someone, a friend that you
have just met. Yeah.
Yes. During your travels across Africa.
Exactly.
And share your story.
Very true.
Make sure you follow Diaspora Moves. We are on different platforms and we will really appreciate your support in this journey.
Yeah, we want to hear your story. Remember, friends are the currency.
Oh yeah. See you on the next one.